This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable autoplay for videos on the Facebook app. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the Facebook app. To disable autoplay for videos in your news feed, maybe you want to save on bandwidth or on your battery. To disable the autoplay for videos, first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you want to tap on the gear wheel in the upper right hand corner. Then you want to tap on profile settings. Then you will scroll down toward the very bottom where you see the media and contacts section, and you want to tap on videos and photos. Then you will scroll down to the autoplay section and you want to tap on never autoplay videos. And now your videos will no longer autoplay. And that is how you disable autoplay for videos on the Facebook app. Thanks for watching.